Hello and welcome to H916 Art and Design. Today I am going to create a mind map for a logo design. First of all, I want to bring this to your attention that the logo brief I am going to use in this video was created by Daniel Evans. He is a well-known logo designer. I will share some of his links in description. Check him out. Okay, let's jump into today's topic. To create a mind map, we of course need a logo brief or a questionnaire. I am using Photoshop for mind mapping process. You can use whatever you want, a pencil and copy, or any other software, it really does not matter. So, what is mind mapping? Mind mapping is a process of extracting new ideas or words from what we have in the form of logo brief. In the process of mind mapping, first thing that I usually write down is the name of the company, which according to the brief is The Green Room. Then I write down products and services that the company provide, in other words what company is mainly about. In this case, it is local environmental projects discussed in an online website and forum. If there are no other leads provided by client in logo brief that deserve exploration, I write down if client have any ideas or suggestions about design. The brief says, a leaf or leaves. The leaf or leaves should be different from other designs, people but not mandatory. It is very important to ask client about suggestions before you start designing because it can create problems later on. Let me show you how. As you can see, the suggests leaf in logo design, but if you Google environmental logos, you will bombarded with logos that have leaf or leaves in it. That shows that the concept of using leaf in environmental logo is too generic and common. If I created a logo with leaf or leaves in it, the logo will not be able to stand out from others. It will not help my client to grow their business. That is why the basic concept of logo designing is that the logo has to be simple and unique. If you have not asked client for suggestions and the client have something generic and common in their mind and they are accepting a generic design from you, and as a designer you have created a unique and simple design, when you present your design they are not going to like that, because they are accepting something else. They have some different ideas about design, and if you say to them that their ideas are not good and you are providing them the right design, they may not believe you and they may think you are making lame excuses, and that can cause serious problems. That's why it is very important to ask this question before designing. And if they do have some common design ideas, you have to teach them that it is not good to have a generic design for their brand. If your client won't believe you, which in most cases they don't, you have to give them some examples. Like the Apple logo. Apple is a company that designs, develops and sells consumers electronics, computer softwares and online services, and it owns and represents a logo that is an apple, no graphics or icons related to computer softwares, electronics or technology. Yet it is one of the best logos in the world. And what's about Nike logo? No footwear in logo, no running athletes, and it is one of the best logos. And there are many other examples. The logo has to be simple and unique, and that's it. Now, we are going to extract some new ideas or words from what we have. The first word I am going to explore is green. So, I was able to extract these words: growing, a sense of life, a sense of freshness, greenery, fields, and that's all. Now I am going to explore the word room. I am also doodling some ideas for visual references. So, I came up with, where anybody lives, space for movement or space, like a box shape, closed by walls, ceiling, floor, doors, windows. Now, I am going to explore the word environmental. I came up with, about ecology, area or situation or region where one lives, habitat, earth, sphere. I also came up with the idea of using colors of greenery and water in design, though the client suggests light brown, dark green and light green. The last word I am going to explore is discuss. So, I came up with, two or more people talking, talking in group, debate, round table conference, talk bubbles or speech bubbles, mouth or lip, communicate, examine. And that's it. I am not going too deep into exploration because this is not a real project. though I will suggest you that after reading logo brief don't go straight for mind mapping, do something else, play game, watch a movie, go for a walk, do something that isn't related to the logo design. Then come after some time and do mind mapping, also do it in at least 3 different sessions, you will come up with new ideas in every session. Alright, that's all for this topic. Next video will be on sketching design ideas using mind map. If you enjoyed my video, do subscribe, like and share it. Also join me on other platforms. Take care, bye.